Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run payroll for the first time in ADP. So let's start with the first step, which is to log in and open ADP and then run the dashboard. So just go to the runpayroll.adp.com, or you can open the ADP Run mobile application and sign in with your user ID and password. So from the home dashboard, locate the big red Run Payroll button on the welcome card, and then confirm your next payroll date and active employee count on the right panel before clicking. Next step is start a new payroll. So the wizard opens the step number 1, which is to start, and then confirm the pay period. Check date and pay frequency, which is weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. So for your first run, you have to double check and check the date is at least 2 business days in the future to allow direct deposit processing. And then after that, just click on continue. Next up is enter employee hours. So you have to type in regular hours, overtime, and holiday hours for each hourly employee. So salaried employees show auto and don't need any entries. So you have to check and use the checkbox column to skip anyone not getting paid this run. So click on save and continue when all the roles are complete. Next step is preview gross, taxes, and net pay. So ADP shows the full payroll summary, the total gross pay, total taxes, and total net pay, and also the number of employees paid. So you have to carefully review the breakdown of federal or the state taxes, which is 401k, and also the deductions. So if anything looks off, you have to click back to fix it. Otherwise, click the red Approve Payroll button. Lastly is payroll submitted successfully. So you will see a green check mark with payroll submitted successfully and also the confirmation number. So you have to save this for your records, and then the funds will hit employee accounts on the check date that you chose. So you can now download pay stubs or return to the dashboard. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!